Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today it's so hot outside and I really don't like to stand in front of the stove, gas stove and oven to make a dinner cooking and it makes really hard to when it's very the weather is very hot. But instead I'm gonna make some decent food for my family, and this which is not really any cooking involved. I have some leftover chicken which I'm gonna do Mediterranean chicken wrap with that, and then for the next dish I'm gonna make a tuna avocado taco. So both is gonna be very delicious. It's gonna be very fast and a very decent meal. And I hope you follow these recipes and make it for your friends and family in the hot days so that you don't want to cook. So let's get started. Let's start with these fresh, crispy and delicious avocado tuna tacos. First, into the mixing bowl goes our tuna. Now add 2 tablespoons of spicy mayonnaise to the tuna and mix well until everything is well combined and creamy. If the mixture isn't creamy enough, add a little bit of more spicy mayonnaise until you reach a smooth, creamy consistency. Now add about 1 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper for a bold, fresh flavor. Next, dice a fresh red bell pepper and add it to the tuna mixture for a delicious crunch and a pop of color. Next, chop some fresh Italian parsley and mint. Then add them to the mixing bowl for a burst of fresh aroma. To add even more flavor and freshness, finely chop 3 green onions and 1 celery stick. Then add them to the tuna mixture for the perfect crunch and delicious burst of flavor. Now add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar to the mixture and mix everything together until they are all combined and all the flavor become integrated. Now let's cut and mash 1 avocado to create a creamy and delicious base for our tuna taco. Now add a pinch of salt and some freshly squeezed lemon juice to the mashed avocado. Mix well. Now let's assemble our delicious tuna tacos. Start with 2 spoonfuls of creamy mashed avocado, then add a couple of spoonfuls of our flavorful tuna mixture. Finish it off with a generous topping of Monterey Jack cheese for the perfect creamy cheesy finish. Our first non-cooked dinner is complete. Now let's move on to our next delicious dish. For our next dish, we are making a delicious Mediterranean chicken wrap packed with fresh flavors and amazing texture. In order to make Mediterranean chicken wraps, we need to dice the following ingredients. Dice 3 green onions, 1 Persian cucumber, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, a quarter cup of Kalamata olives, half a can of artichoke hearts, 2 tablespoons of Italian parsley, and 50 grams or about 2 ounces of feta cheese. Transfer all the diced ingredients to a mixing bowl, and this will make an easy to combine everything evenly and ensure every bite is packed with fresh Mediterranean flavor. Now it's time to add our leftover chicken. This is a great way to turn yesterday's meal into a fresh, delicious Mediterranean dinner with almost no extra effort. At this point, you can customize the filling based on your taste. You can add black pepper, season it with salt or lemon juice, or put some extra virgin olive oil. Basically make it your own and make it based on your taste. Add any ingredients you like to this wrap and enjoy it. Now let's assemble a wrap. Take a flour tortilla, add a few leaves of lettuce and generous amount of our mixture. Fold in the sides and roll it tightly like a burrito. Make sure all those wonderful flavor stays inside. Finally, slice the wrap in half and enjoy the beautiful layers of fresh vegetables, creamy filling, and tender chicken. Okay friends, as you know, we didn't cook today. We didn't want to stand in front of the hot stove and oven or whatever because it's so hot and it's very hard to cook. So I did avocado tuna taco today, and also I had some chicken in the fridge left over, so I mixed it with some ingredients to make it like a Mediterranean chicken wrap, and this is no cooking, so let's try the tuna taco and see how does it taste. Tastes so good. It's very fresh and very light, which I really liked it, and it is really delicious. So next I'm gonna try the chicken wrap that I did, the Mediterranean. Let's have a bite. just so good. The taste of tomato and cucumber and chicken and parsley and Kalamata olive and all combined together. It makes it really, really good and delicious and very light for days like that, which is very, very hot. I hope you make these dishes or follow these recipes and share it with your friends, family, and enjoy it as much as I enjoyed it. And please let me know in a comment which part did you like and what did you make, whether the taco, the tuna taco, or the Mediterranean chicken wrap. Let me know. Please subscribe and give the recipe thumbs up. And hopefully I see you soon when I post another new delicious dish. Have a good day. Bye.